Today, I will explore the top 4 best drones in 2024 based on my research and what excites me about each. Number 1. The DJI Mini 2 SE drone. Let's kick things off with the king of compact drones, the DJI Mini 2 SE. This little powerhouse might be under 249 grams, but it packs a punch. We're talking 2.7K video, a 3-axis gimbal for buttery smooth footage, and a whopping 10 kilometers of HD video transmission. This means you can capture stunning landscapes and faraway subjects with incredible clarity. Why I love it. This drone is perfect for beginners or anyone who wants a highly portable option. The extended flight time of 31 minutes lets you explore more, and the intuitive DJI Fly app makes capturing epic content a breeze. Plus, the sub 249 grams weight means you can fly it in most places without needing special registration. Always check your local regulations though. Number 2. ZLL SG907 Max GPS drone. Next up, we have the ZLL SG907 MAX, a feature-packed drone for a fantastic price. This beast boasts a 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal, offering exceptional image quality. Plus, it comes with a 5G FPV system for a truly immersive flying experience. You'll feel like you're soaring through the sky with this one. Why I love it. This drone is a great option for intermediate pilots who want to step up their game. The GPS functionality provides excellent stability, and features like 25-minute flight time and obstacle avoidance make capturing those perfect shots a breeze. Number 3. L200 Pro Max drone. Calling all adrenaline junkies. The L200 Pro Max is a professional-grade drone built for serious aerial photography and videography. This machine features a 4K camera on a 2-axis gimbal, offering incredible detail and smooth footage. But what truly sets it apart is the 360-degree obstacle avoidance. No more worrying about bumps and crashes. Why I love it. This drone is perfect for professional content creators or photography enthusiasts who demand the best. The obstacle avoidance feature gives you peace of mind, and the long flight time allows you to capture complex shots with ease. Number 4. Beta FPV Cetus X drone. Alright gearheads, this one's for you. The Beta FPV Cetus X is a high-performance FPV drone built for racing and freestyle flying. This isn't your average camera drone. It's a machine built for speed and agility, offering an unparalleled flying experience. Why I love it. Buckle up, this drone is all about pushing your limits and performing mind-blowing aerial maneuvers. The included VR goggles give you a pilot's eye view of the action, making for an unforgettable flying experience. However, this is an advanced drone and requires some piloting experience.